Welcome back to the Fluent Ears Podcast. In our last episode, Emma visited a pharmacy to buy medicine because she wasn't feeling well. Now that she's starting to recover, she has something else on her to-do list of visiting the bank. In today's episode, Emma and Ryan go to the bank to open a savings account and handle basic money matters. You'll learn how to use English confidently in real banking situations, and also learn 2 new vocabulary words and 3 practical idioms. At the end of the episode, Emma will share some useful banking phrases, and we'll tell you how to practice using all of this in your own daily life. Let's get started. Hey Ryan, I need to open a savings account today. Can you come with me?
Of course, that's a smart move. Taking care of your finances is the first step to independence.
I agree. Ever since I got sick last week, I've started to prioritize the important stuff in my life. Prioritize means to arrange tasks or responsibilities based on importance. Now, it's your turn. Can you use prioritize in your own sentence? Type it in the comments.
Good thinking. Let us head to the enquiry desk. And don't forget to bring your identity proof.
I've got it right here, passport and my latest electricity bill. I'm always prepared.
You really are the early bird, Emma. Idiom early bird, someone who arrives early or acts quickly. Make your own sentence with early bird and post it below.
Thanks. Oh, look, here's the counter. Excuse me. I'd like to open a savings account.
Sure, ma'am. Please fill this form and attach your ID and address proof. Would you like internet banking as well?
Yes, please. I'd also like to request a checkbook and debit card.
Certainly, you'll receive them within 5 to 7 working days.
Wow, you're really getting everything sorted today.
Yep. No more putting things on hold. I've promised myself not to put things on the back burner anymore. Idiom put something on the back burner means to postpone or delay something less urgent. Write a sentence using this idiom and post it below.
That's a great attitude. You're investing your time in things that will pay off later. Idiom payoff means to bring success or results after effort. Now your turn, use payoff in a sentence and comment it down.
Thanks, Ryan. I'm learning. One more question: is there any minimum balance required?
Yes, you need to maintain at least $100 in your savings account.
All right. I'll deposit $200 to get started.
Please take this slip and go to counter 4 for the deposit.
By the way, Emma, have you ever tried using mobile banking for transactions?
Oh yes, I rely on it all the time. Honestly, it's a game changer. Idiom game changer, something that completely changes the way a situation develops or is handled. Audience, can you make a sentence using game changer?
That's true, but I still feel skeptical sometimes. I've heard cases where people fall for phishing scams. I guess I am a bit risk-averse, vocabulary risk-averse, unwilling to take risks or engage in risky behavior. Audience, can you make a sentence using risk-averse?
That's wise, honestly. The best approach is to err on the side of caution, especially when it comes to money. Idiom err on the side of caution, to act in the safest way possible. Audience, try using err on the side of caution in your own sentence.
You're right. I guess I'll keep my net banking usage to a minimum and only use it when absolutely necessary.
That's fair. Oh, and just so you know, once your account is activated, you'll also receive SMS alerts for every transaction. It's a useful way to track your spending habits.
Perfect. That'll help me stay within my budget. I've been trying not to go overboard with online purchases lately. Idiom go overboard, to do something too much or excessively. Audience, can you make a sentence using go overboard?
Relatable. Especially during those online sales, it's so easy to get carried away.
Absolutely. Thanks for helping me out, Emma. You've been super helpful, as always.
My pleasure. And just before we wrap up, let me share some common banking phrases that might come in handy next time you visit a bank. Before we leave the bank, I want to share a few phrases that I've used today, and that you'll often hear in English while dealing with bank staff. For example, you might say, "I'd like to open a savings account when you're ready to get started." If you're interested in online access, you can ask, "Can I activate internet banking?" or when you want to know about basic requirements. A helpful phrase is, "What's the minimum balance requirement?" If you need physical access to your money, you might say, "I want to apply for a debit card." And when you're ready to put money into your account, simply ask, "Where can I make a cash deposit?" These are phrases I actually use today. Now it's your turn to practice them. Thanks for listening to episode 9 of the Fluent Ears Podcast. We hope this conversation at the bank helped you understand real-life English in a practical way. Now it's your turn. Go to the Community tab on our YouTube channel. You'll find quiz questions related to today's episode. Answer them. Test your vocabulary, idioms, and phrases. And don't forget to make your own sentences using what you've learned. If you enjoyed the episode, like, subscribe, and share this podcast with someone who wants to improve their English naturally. See you next week.